That's how it goes. Millions of people living exposed. Well, maybe it's not too late to love and forget it. Metal wounds not healing. Who it wants to blame? Going off the rails on a crazy train. Going off the rails on a crazy train. Let's go. There's no Cold War, that's what we become. Energetic troubles are mentally numb. A person conditioned to rule and control. The media sells it, and you take the role.